Hi, I'm Amritpal Singh, a physician doctor from India. I participated in Neuromatch Academy last year as a student, and this year I will be teaching as a TA. So today in week 1, day 3, tutorial 4, we will be learning about multiple linear regression and polynomial regression. Where we will generate some data, then use it to train some models and finally compare them. Now, going through, hope you have gone through the video. We import the modules, then we import these functions. Coming to multiple integration, we have several variables which are multiplied by their individual model parameters, adding the theta naught, eta naught, which is the noise, and finally the bias term, which is represented in this form as a matrix. For this is for bias, the variables, and we matrix multiply this to get our y variable. Now, given x and y, how can we compute the theta? So we do it using the function, the method known as ordinary least square estimators. So what we do here is you know, we will be, yeah. So we will be using, matrix multiplication, and then finally we transpose the data, and finally using the matrix inversion to, we comment out this here, and we run this to, get, okay, yeah, we need to simulate the data first. Uh, Once done, we rerun this thing again, and we get our uh, theta hat here, which can be used to calculate the mean square error. Moving forward to the uh, polynomial regression, it's similar to multiple linear regression, but it stark differences comes in terms that the y is dependent upon x in where x is in different powers, and the highest power for here, 3 being here, is the order of the polynomial. Uh, and now, how do we calculate it? We calculate it by making something known as design matrix, which serves as the input for the polynomial function, polynomial regression model. And here's a function to do the same thing. What we will be doing here is that we input the x, which is our equation, and then the order, and it generates the matrix for us. So we add this thing here, uh, and we comment out this, uh, and yeah, and when we run it, we will be seeing our metrics, design metrics being generated here. We will use this to train our polynomial regression model now. So how we in this function we will be using an x and a y, and train several models starting from order 0 to max order, which will be defined here. Uh, and as we can see, it runs over a loop here, and we make matrix design first, then we will be fitting our model, and finally I can just comment this out, yeah, and we will be seeing something like this graph here again, yeah. So coming next, now we will be comparing these models trained by using a mean square error, and this can be done here by making the design and calculating the residual function, and finally the mean square error, and then plotting it. We will see something like this, and as seen that it's minimum, the loss error is minimum for 4 and 5th order polynomial. Now, thank you. That's it for this tutorial. Uh, Play with the code and spend some time here before you move to the next tutorial. Thank you.